Okay, in this video, we'll look at some examples of either changes to supply or changes to the quantity supplied. And first, we'll just look at or remind ourselves what these terms mean. Okay, and we'll start over here with a change to the quantity supplied. So we find this when there's a change to the price of the good or service. So let's say that the good or service, and this is the price at which it's being sold, let's say that it changes from $6 to $4. So initially, when it was $6, the quantity supplied was whatever it was. The price changes to $4. So that means we're moving to a new spot on the supply curve, and consequently, the quantity supplied is, in this case, going to decrease. Okay, so a change in price leads to a change in the quantity supplied. Now, a change in supply means that the entire supply curve either moves to the left, that's a decrease in supply, or it moves to the right, that's an increase in supply. So this means that at every price, when supply changes, at every price, the quantity supplied is going to either increase if supply is increased, or it's going to decrease if supply is decreased. All right, so here we have labor prices increase. That is to say, workers are getting a higher wage, and as a result, Toyota produces fewer cars. Okay, so labor is an input. So here we have the cost of an input increasing, which means that supply will decrease. That is, the entire curve will shift to the left. And again, just to remind ourselves, that means that at every possible price, the quantity supplied is going to be lower than it was before. Next, due to a decline in price, fewer oranges are offered for sale. Okay, so this is a change in price. Let's say per pound, we change from $3, and again, this is the price of the good being sold to consumers. And the price has changed from $3 to $2. So initially, we were here on the supply curve. Let's say that at this price, producers were willing and able to supply 2,000 pounds of oranges per week or month or whatever it is. The price drops to $2. So here they're going to change the quantity supplied to, say, 1,200. All right, so price of the good declines, quantity supplied will decline. So obviously this is a change to the quantity supplied. Okay, and last, the federal government increases the subsidy for ethanol producers. All right, so an increase to the subsidy means that at every price or every possible price, producers will be willing and able to supply a greater quantity of ethanol. So therefore, supply increases. Okay, so when a subsidy goes up or a tax goes down, supply goes up, or the curve shifts to the right. Okay, we'll stop there.